and welcome to this C3 tutorial. We're going to have a look at the June 2012 paper starting at question 1. And it tells us to express 2 times 3x plus 2 divided by 9x squared minus 4, take away 2 over 3x plus 1 as a single fraction in its simplest form. And the first thing I'll look at is the left hand fraction. And this part's the most complicated part, the 9x squared minus 4, because you think, well, how am I going to simplify that? And the answer is you need to complete the square. And what it means is that when you complete the square, you actually get a common factor on the top and the bottom. So another way of looking at it is, well, if I had 3x plus 2, how am I going to get that in that factor? You know, so you would probably clock by then that, oh, I'm going to have to complete the square. And that means that we can cancel and make that fraction more simple, or put it in a simpler form. So what we can do is we can cancel the top and the top and bottom, and we are left with something a bit easier to work out. And what we're left with is this, aren't we? We're left with 2 divided by 3x minus 2. Obviously take away 2 over 3x plus 1. And what we can do for each of these is times it top and bottom by the bottom of the other one. So for example, with that one on the left, what we're going to do is we're going to times it on the top by 3x plus 1 and on the bottom by 3x plus 1. Obviously do the same for the other. And what this means is that we have a common bottom line for both of these fractions, and therefore we can combine them very easily, because we can actually write it under the same denominator. And now if we expand both of those top brackets, what we get is we get 6x plus 2 minus, and I'm going to just put this bit in brackets just to make sure we don't make any mistakes, 6x minus 4. And I think you can see already that those two 6x's will cancel each other out, because 6x minus 6x is obviously 0, or 0x, which is 0. So we're going to have 0x, but what we're going to have 2 minus minus 4, and that's going to be 6. So this is our final answer, isn't it? It's 6 over 3x minus 2, 3x plus 1. Thank you for watching. We'll continue with question 2 in the next video.